Hi friends, this is Kishore. Welcome back to my channel. As we saw in last week, market huge sell-off. Is it a buy the dip opportunity or we can see more sell-off? What seasonality chart suggesting to us? This is not a financial advice, just for a knowledge purpose only. Let's jump into the show. So this is fear and greed index. Right now it's in the fear. So we know like last week it is in the neutral. So this week it may go extreme fear or it can bounce back to the neutral. So and this is a daily heat map. So on Friday it's okay kind of thing. Nvidia, Meta, few of them are bounced from the Thursday huge sell off, and the Tesla continued to its good went down like minus 4.23. And this is a daily heat map for the week. Except the healthcare, most of the sectors are thick red. So healthcare sectors, UNH, AMG, and Humana, they went up. In general, in October, um, healthcare, there is some policy changes on the insurance, health insurance. There may be chance of they may go up huge or they may go down huge. And this is the weekly sector performance. Real estate and consumer discretionary, it's went down almost 6%. And XLK, it's not that huge sell off compared to the XLR and XLY, but all sectors on the thick red color except the healthcare was bounced on Friday, that helped it to stay a little red, not the thick red. And in last week, Powell says during FOMC meeting, Powell says soft landing, not baseline, but it's sure in the forecast. So what it means is he don't care about the soft landing or hard landing or no landing. All he care about is like bringing the inflation to the 2%. So the bond market still continues the downtrend. We can see a 30-year, 10-year, 5-year, and 2-year all went down in last week. So it continue its downtrend. And TLT, it broke the previous lows on June and July lows, and it went below 90, 91. I'm sorry. I see another next level support is 88, but I see some positive divergence in the CCI, so that may be reason I'm thinking it may bounce here. If it bounce, 94 is the good resistance level and 88 is the next support level. And this is the daily chart. So you can see here it made a tweezer bottom. Tweezer bottom is like a bearish engulfing candle is covered with the bullish engulfing candle, and CCI is going up. So that's the reason I'm guessing it's a bottom here, and it make little bit bounce from here. If it goes above this gap like 91 92 gap, then we can see a little bit bounce and it goes up to 94. And this chart says, so once again bond yields dwarf dividend income from stocks. So stock dividend is lesser than the bond dividend in the current market. And this is the dollar seasonality. I shared this chart last week. Dollar performs well during the September, and then October and November okay, and December it's almost neutral. So what are the opportunities I see here and how the dollar chart looks like? So dollar weekly chart, you can see here 10 weeks strike green, which happened in the 2014, and this is also happened during August and September, July, August, September levels. And in October some drawdown, and again it bounced there, but it's not like a huge rally like this after 10 weeks high. So right now it's a 10 straight weeks high green candles. So it's a overbought region. So if it cools down, it helps some of the stocks, metals especially, like gold is forming a symmetrical triangle and ready to break out. So if dollar goes down, so it helps this gold metal to go up. So my targets of the resistance is 2000 and the support is 1900. And this is crude oil, West Texas crude oil. It hit around 91, and it formed it's in the weekly chart. It formed a spinning top. Spinning top is the reversal candle. We can see here in the past also, one here and the other one here and one more here. In the past there are some, and this is not a spinning top, it's a shooting star. And this is a spinning top, and again it's a shooting star. So whenever it's a shooting star or a spinning tops formed at the resistance level, so it went down. So I'm expecting it may go down a little bit, not like crazy, like coming back to the 80 or 70, but I'm expecting some pullback here. And if it goes down, it helps the airline stocks, because last week I showed my chart on the jet fuel and crude oil chart. So as jet fuel prices are rising and crude oil prices are rising, the airline stocks are went down crazily. So this week again the Southwest Airlines went around 28.05. Looks like it is struggling there. I can see some positive divergence here in the CCI. So the prices is going down. This is a daily chart. so some positive divergence here. So I see support at 27.24, and next support is 25.55. 25 is the May 2020 lows. So if it comes there, that's a very, very good buying opportunity I see. And the next resistance levels are 30 and 32. And this is the September seasonality. We are here almost. So in the last week, it may bounce a little bit, and again the huge sell-off takes place. So I shared a video on September 2nd saying, will this channel break in September 2023? So this is an SPX regression trend, uptrend. So this week, it's a daily chart. This week on Friday, it came to the bottom of the channel. It hit the bottom of the channel regression trend. So if it breaks here, which means we can see more drawdown in the SPX. And the SPY chart, SPY daily chart, if you see from October, it made a higher highs and higher lows, but now the trend changed. It broke that 434 level and made a new low. 434 is previous low, and it broke and made a new low. So it made a new lower low, which means the trend get changed from higher high higher lows to the lower higher lower lows. But I see some support is at 422, and also I'll share my seasonality chart. Looks like positive to the SPY, which may not go down a lot. And this SPY quarterly chart, it's a 5 exponential moving average. So 5 exponential moving average, 5 EMA is at 418 level. So if it by next week, by this weekend, by September 30, if it don't goes below 418, that's very good to the SPY. Otherwise, we may see little bit sell off in the SPY continues. And this is number of stocks in SPY about 20-day moving average. I use this chart a lot as a buy and sell signals. Whenever it comes to that 14.95 level, I buy some stocks, and whenever it goes to the 86, I'll sell it. So right now it is at 16.89. So on Monday, it may go down and hit this 14 level, 14.95 level, and I may buy few stocks here at this location. And this is SPY daily chart. So on Friday when it closed, so at 3 p.m. there is a big bullish engulfing candle, which means I thought like shorts are covering their positions, but again it is big bull trap. Later in after 10 minutes, it started selling off and it closed red, which means there is no short covering takes place. Means shorts are not closed on Friday. So on Monday, it may still continue the downtrend. That's what my wild guess here is. But here is a very big support at the current level at 430. If it goes down, then 422, there is a gap here. That gap acts as a support. It can go up to the 422 and bounce, or it may go down a little bit and bounce in the from Monday. And this is QQQ. It's a daily chart. Though SPY made a new lower low, QQQ did not. Q did not break the 354 level. 354 is the previous low. If it breaks 354, then we can see up to 334 level. I will tell you why I'm saying like 334 level in my next video. And this is Netflix. I shared this chart in Twitter my account. So at the time August 13, I said 38 is the support level. So right now it is 379.81, but it also broken this regression trend. It's a weekly chart from last year June to till last week. It followed this regression trend. Now the trend was broken, and the CCI is still going down. It's minus 83. There is a huge chance it can go below. So my support and resistance levels are here for the Netflix. And this Nvidia, I also shared this chart in the Twitter account. So I said like 424 is my support level. Now it broke in that one. So these are my next support and resistance levels, and I can see the volume is going up when the price is coming down. So it is bearish to me, and the CCA is going down. So I'm expecting it can go up to 402. Maybe at 402 is a psychological support level. If it breaks, then 377 is the next support level. And this is the IWM. In last week video, I mentioned it is forming a head and shoulders pattern. If it breaks 181 level, then we can see up to 164, and 177 is my support. So 177 is my first support in my last video. Now today on Friday it closed below 177, just 176.67. So the gap is not completely filled, but I see some CCI is a little bit upside, but it may still go down and close this gap. From there it can bounce. If it bounces, then 178 and 182 are my resistance levels, but the head and shoulders measured target is downside target is 164. And this is SOFI. SOFI from October, they will get the student loan payments. So I'm a little bit bullish on this chart, on this company. If it comes here 7.25, I may buy a few. It's just my perspective. It may still go down, but looks like for me, this is a good buying opportunity, because when the price is going down, I see the volume is drying up, and 0.618 level acts as a good support for any for this stock. And this Roblox right now it's 25.39. It's the previous support level. If it breaks, then all-time low support is 22.05. So it can go, if it goes there, that's a very good buying opportunity. I see positive divergence in the CCA. That's the reason I'm a little bit bullish on the stock. And the seasonality chart, why I'm thinking it's a buy the opportunity. So if you see in this seasonality chart, from Jan to July, if the market is up, and August and September if it is red, then October, November, December altogether it closed green, means last quarter it closed green in the pre-election year. So that's the reason I'm a little bit bullish. I mean, I'm thinking it's maybe a buy the opportunity, buy the dip opportunity in the current market until, but I'll buy only my bullish signals are triggered. Otherwise, I do not buy it. And this is comparing of SPX with 2003, 2004, and 2005. So looks like it is following that one. So we may see some another lower low in October, and from there it goes up, and again in the March of 2024 we may see another low. From there it goes to the high till end of the year. So this is what the today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please watch more videos in my channel. If you like them, please subscribe. Please share this content if any of our friends looking for similar kind of content. Please hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification when I upload a new video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.